Are there strange noises coming from your car's AC system? Don't ignore them. Understanding these noises can help you diagnose and resolve the issue as soon as possible. Rattling noises often indicate loose components or debris trapped within the AC system. A hissing noise could be a refrigerant leak, which needs immediate attention. Clicking noises could be a failing compressor clutch or an electrical issue, and a squealing sound could be a loose serpentine belt or faulty bearings. Addressing these noises promptly can prevent further damage and ensure that your system operates smoothly. Follow our profile for more tips and tricks, and hit that like button if you found this useful.